And how did you get into lobster rolls?
Got into lobster rolls after trying some across the state and not finding anything unique or different. Most of the lobster rolls would be one style or one version that people would offer. That mixed with the fact that my husband and I really wanted to start a food truck in the Portland area. We luckily won a permit to operate here at the historic Fort Williams Portland Headlight.
Yeah. Have a good one.
All right, what's your favorite recipe you've created off the lobster?
Well, I would say my favorite and the actually staff favorite as well is one that we call the picnic style. We put down a layer of creamy sweet coleslaw, fresh Maine lobster meat, hot butter, and celery salt. So it gets this kind of mix of sweet, salty, crunchy, buttery. It's just all of the things in every bite is just absolutely delicious.